What is that? What is that? That is a phone case. That is a phone case. Which language do you speak? Which language do you speak? I speak English. I speak English. Who are you? Who are you? I'm David. I'm David. Are you sick? Are you sick? Yes, I have a cold. Yes, I have a cold. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm sweeping the floor. I'm sweeping the floor. What is he doing? What is he doing? He's swimming in the pool. He is swimming in the pool. What is she doing? What is she doing? She is exercising at the gym. She is exercising at the gym. What are they doing? What are they doing? They are playing soccer. They are playing soccer. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? I'm lost. I am lost. What do you do? What do you do? I'm a dentist. I'm a dentist. What does he do? What does he do? He's a firefighter. He is a firefighter. Whose car is this? Whose car is this? This car is mine. This car is mine. Do you have a cell phone? Do you have a cell phone? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you have a comb? Do you have a comb? No, I don't. No, I don't. What's your name? What is your name? My name is Jack. My name is Jack. What is your mother's name? What is your mother's name? Her name is Sarah. Her name is Sarah. What time is it? What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. What time is it? What time is it? It's 5:25. It's 5:25. What time is it? What time is it? It's 5:45. It's 5:45. What color is your dress? What color is your dress? It's red. It's red. What color is his car? What color is his car? His car is blue. His car is blue. What did you buy? What did you buy? I bought a carton of milk. I bought a carton of milk. What did she buy? What did she buy? She bought a new purse. She bought a new purse. Where's my book? Where is my book? Your book is on the table. Your book is on the table. Where are your clothes? Where are your clothes? My clothes are in the wardrobe. My clothes are in the wardrobe. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. How many cars are there in the parking lot? How many cars are there in the parking lot? There are 3 cars in the parking lot. There are 3 cars in the parking lot. How many books are there in the bookcase? How many books are there in the bookcase? There are 9 books in the bookcase. There are 9 books in the bookcase. Who broke the vase? Who broke the vase? I'm sorry, I broke the vase. I'm sorry, I broke the vase. Can you speak English? Can you speak English? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Is it raining? Is it raining? No, it is snowing. No, it is snowing. Is it snowing? Is it snowing? No, it's raining. No, it's raining. Where are you? Where are you? I'm at home. I am at home. Where is she? Where is she? She is at the park. She is at the park. Where are they? Where are they? They are in the car. They are in the car. What is this? What is this? This is a phone charger. This is a phone charger.